Ceiling fans are a very healthy way to cool the room. They're also a decorative piece and help illuminate spaces when coming with light. It is normal to have doubts when choosing a ceiling fan. Although they are more affordable than the other systems, they're still an investment. Hi, I'm Laura from Faro, Barcelona, and in this video I will answer the FAQs when choosing a ceiling fan, such as the size, the type of motor, and the number of blades. Let's start with the size. It's important to know where we are going to place our ceiling fan and the dimensions of the room. Depending on the square meters, we will choose one fan or another. For example, for a 14 square meters room, we will choose a 132 centimeters fan. Although we tend to think that it is better to opt for a small format fan, concerned that it may stand out, it is actually better to choose a slightly larger one. This way, the airflow is better distributed all throughout the room. If we choose a small format fan, we will have a more focused airflow. Next, let's see whether it is better to choose a fan with or without light. If we have a single point of light in the room, we will choose a ceiling fan with light in order to illuminate and cool down the space. On the other hand, if we have a room with different points of light, such as a dining room, we will go for a ceiling fan without light. The other points of light will be used to incorporate appropriate lighting for the whole space. Let's see which type of motor to choose. There's two types of motors, AC alternating current motors and DC direct current motors. Although AC motors are more affordable, nowadays the performance of DC motors is better because they are more efficient, up to 70%, they are quieter and more resistant. Another determining factor is the design of the fan and the number of blades. The choice of our fan will depend on the decoration we have in the space. We can go for blades made of natural materials, such as wood, or synthetic materials, such as ABS or polycarbonate. Although it is common to think that the number of blades influences the airflow, in reality not so much. The important thing to keep in mind is that the blade must have an adequate twist and angle of inclination. Let's look at the different types of controllers. We can find different types of controllers, such as the chain, which is the simplest and most affordable system to operate a fan. Then we have the remote control, which is the most common and comfortable way to operate the fan at home. Nowadays, most remote controls are equipped with a timer. Then we have the wall controller, which is designed for contract spaces, as it is a device fixed to the wall so it does not get lost. And finally, nowadays, more and more fans are being developed with IoT smart systems that work through mobile applications or voice systems such as Alexa or Siri. If you're interested in controlling a fan with domotic systems, please do not hesitate to contact us. Did you know you can also use your ceiling fan in winter? We usually think that ceiling fans can only be used in summer. But we can also use them in winter thanks to the reverse function. When we activate it, the fan blades rotate in the opposite direction, helping to circulate the warm air from the heating system that accumulates on the ceiling. Other features to take into account is to know if we're going to install our fan in special conditions. For example, if it's going to be outdoors, we have to choose fans with IP44, as there are environmental factors such as humidity, dust or water splashes. Fans with IP44 can be easily installed outdoors and they will not stop working. If we're going to install our ceiling fan on sloping ceilings, we have to know that there are fans that are more suitable and others that are not. The most important thing in this situation is to know what angle we have in our ceiling and thus choose a suitable fan for the space. If you visit our website, you will see the wide range of fans that we offer and filter by the features that suit you best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips about lighting and ventilation.